Hello student, good morning. Next one, oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral sources of modern Indian history. Oral sources like inspirational songs, folk songs, povada, folk tales, narrations, interviews, rhythmic prose, OV, fairs, jalsa, art group. First of inspirational song. During the parade of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in written form, but many other unpublished inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters. Like example, now we will see inspirational song during this parade. Some are because of these songs we can get freedom struggle. Let's see the example. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. This means decide to the sacrifice. Next another song, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला. It means O mother, dye my robe, my soul, created by the Ram Prasad Bismil. Next one, the संत तुकडोजी महाराज. दिल मन से गाऊंगा ऊंचा उठा दे मेरा वतन. नेक्स्ट वन, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोस्ता हमारा, रिसाइट बाय मोहम्मद इकबाल. वी हेल्प अस द नेशनल स्ट्रगल, फ्रीडम फाइटर हेल्पफुल अस द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. नेक्स्ट वन, पोवाड़ा. पोवाड़ा इट मीन्स अ मराठी पोएट्री. Narrating style is the exciting style. Povada is the source for getting information about a historical event or the work of person. There are various povada composed on the freedom struggle of 1857, like Mahatma Phule. Vellore revolutionaries during British rule, etc. These povada were used to create motivation and spiritual among the people. Apart from freedom movement, the povadas were composed based on the work of Satya Shodhak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes, the Samyukta Maharashtra movement, and such other events. Next one, video, audio-visual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art of photography, recording, films, etc. Obviously, these records or film can be used as a source of history. Next one है photograph. Photograph are visual sources of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography, photograph of various person, events, object, structure, palaces were clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of the person or event in a visual format. In case of medieval period, there are paintings available that depict the physical feature of person or visual description of authenticity of these paintings is the doubtful. Comparatively, photographs are considered to be a more reliable. The photograph of a person gives an information about the physical features, dressing styles, etc. Photograph of event give a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure help us in understanding it the nature. फोटोग्राफ के द्वारा हमें उनकी जो ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल था, कोई इवेंट्स है, उस फोटोग्राफ से, और जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल है, जो हमारी प्री इंडिपेंडेंट में हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर को स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ी. नेक्स्ट वन, रिकॉर्डिंग. द डिस्कवरी ऑफ टेक्निक ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग मॉडर्न सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री. ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट एज अ फोटोग्राफी, रिकॉर्डिंग इज एन अ फॉर्म ऑफ ऑडियो सोर्सेस of history. During a modern period, the speeches of leader or important personalities, songs like Jana Gana Mana are available in a form of recording. They can be used source of history. For example, like national anthem sung by Ravindranath Tagore. Next one, films. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology in the 20th century. There was a great development of the technique of filmmaking. First, Dadasaheb Phalke in the year 1930. laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Audio-visual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement. दांडी यात्रा जो 21 डेज के लिए गांधी जी ने दांडी मार्च किया था सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह यानी नमक का कानून तोड़ने के लिए, और क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट यानी भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन. एंड अदर हिस्टोरिकल इंसिडेंट्स आर अवेलेबल इन दिस फिल्म्स. अदर हिस्टोरिकल इंसिडेंट्स आर अवेलेबल थ्रू दीज टाइम्स. Film the events could be seen in reality. Next, compared to the ancient and medieval period, the source of a study of modern Indian history are found by the abundance and variety. The archaeological sources of this period are to be a great extent found in a better state. There are many written sources preserved in the archive, but while referring the written sources, the ideology and opinion of history can be handed over to the next generation. Last, the revise this portion, these historical sources. The main point are types of sources. First, material sources, written sources. Third one, oral sources, and last, audio video and audio visual sources. Read and learn about the 4 types of sources. Thanks.